guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood and добро пожаловать! Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious crispy chocolate macarons stuffed with raspberry ganache and raspberry jam inside. Oh my god, guys, these are so good! They're very crispy, very gooey, very strawberry, and that ganache is something. So make sure you try them. Let me know if you do. And if you have other suggestions for the fillings, leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, let's get baking. What are we waiting for? Let's do it. To make your ganache, add dark chocolate into a bowl along with butter and some heavy or double cream. And we're going to place this in a microwave until it's completely melted. Make sure you cook this in 30-second bursts so you don't burn your chocolate. Then you want to mix everything together with your whisk until the chocolate starts to come together and look just like this. Add your raspberry puree into your chocolate ganache and then gently mix everything together again until the mixture becomes nice and even and chocolatey. You then want to place a cling film on top and make sure it's nice and sealed from all sides, and place that into the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours, or best if you leave it overnight. Once your chocolate ganache has been done, you want to see that it's nice and set, and at this stage you want to just take a spoon and place your mixture into a piping bag with no nozzle. Once your mixture is done, you want to set this aside. In a food processor, add your icing sugar with almond powder and cocoa powder and blitz everything until it's nice and smooth. You can also do this at home with a sieve. Just make sure you do it 2 times or 3 times to sieve it through. Then we're still gonna sieve this mixture, so in a bowl add your mixture and sieve it through using a spoon or just shake it off from your sieve. It is essential to do this so we don't have any large lumps in our macarons. Then the mixture is looking nice and well. We're gonna set this aside. In a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk an egg white and mix everything together until it becomes nice and foamy. You then want to add a little bit of sugar at a time while whisking, and your mixture should be nice and white and pale and like meringue sort of type. So keep whisking until you have nice stiff peaks. So add your meringue 1 tablespoon at a time into your dry mixture, and you just want to go around and mix everything together until everything is incorporated. This process takes some time and you do want to be patient and quite gentle while mixing everything together. So just keep going around mixing it all until you start to see that the mixture becomes more chocolatey and more like a paste. Once you have finished, you're looking for a final sort of clue which will give you an indication the macarons are ready, that they kind of fall off your spatula and fall and sort of go around your bowl. So that's the time when it's done. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Place your mixture into a piping bag and seal it from all the sides, and make sure you use a round piping tip. You then want to go around your parchment paper and a baking dish and put little blobs around. Shake it up, place it on the counter and hit it a few times from both sides, and leave it to completely set for about half an hour up to an hour until the macarons form a nice skin on top. So when you touch it, you should have no fingerprints of the chocolate left. We're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And once they're done, they're gonna look so beautiful and lovely, just like this. You can place them together into 2 shelves so you can find similar sized. Once you prepared all your macaron shelves, you then want to add your chocolate raspberry ganache around the macaron cookie and leave a little middle inside where we're going to add our raspberry jam. I do feel that this adds a lot of flavor and extra something to this macaron cookie. So then you just want to top it up with the second half and press on it gently, and then we're going to decorate it with some white chocolate and some dried freeze raspberries on top. Feel free to decorate your macarons the way you want or you like, or you can leave them plain completely. Once they go in the fridge and they're set, they're ready to go and they look fantastic. They taste incredible. Each bite has that chocolate and raspberry filling, and I really love these. I hope you try these. Thank you so much for watching.